That sizzle sound is arcing. It's when electrons break free from the wire and jump across air gaps. This is caused by either loose wiring or a bad switch. Either which way, it could potentially cause a fire, so we're going to fix this. This light is controlled by that switch, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn off the breaker and make sure the power is disconnected from the circuit. This original switch is pretty dumb, and who likes dumb switches? Definitely not this guy. So I'm going to replace the old switch with a new Caseta Smart Switch by Lutron. Installation of the new switch is fairly easy. First, you need to disconnect the old switch. The new switch has 3 different leads. One is a green lead, which is the ground, and that gets connected directly to the green wire in the switch box. The other 2 leads can get connected to either of the 2 black wires that were connected to the old switch. Just add a cover plate and this smart switch swap is finished, and this guy is very happy.
Don't look